Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Back up your data now, then make a Windows 10 recovery USB so you can repair or reinstall if needed. Once done, reboot into Advanced Startup by holding Shift while you click Restart. That takes you straight to recovery options. Make sure to write down the full error message from the blue screen or Event Viewer. This guides which tools to use. Now choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and prepare to run the automated repairs we'll cover next. Now run the built-in repairs. Try Startup Repair first because it fixes boot issues automatically. If that doesn't work, use System Restore to roll back recent changes. Next, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the Windows image. These address corrupted components. Make sure to reboot between steps. If problems persist, inspect msconfig and boot into safe mode to remove recent drivers or software that may finish by choosing Reset this PC, select Keep My Files if you want to preserve data, or do a clean install from your recovery USB when corruption is deep. Once Windows boots, reinstall drivers directly from the device maker. This prevents mismatched drivers causing the same issue. Make sure to test stability by running Windows Update and a few restarts. If you still see the bad system config info, capture exact error codes and check Event Viewer or the recovery logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.